Hey, welcome back. Today's Swiss Army knife will be the Victorinox Cyber Tool 29. Stay tuned and we'll check it out. The Victorinox Cyber Tool 29, also known as the Cyber Tool Small after 2015, was first introduced in the year 2000. It is a 91mm, 3-layer knife right at 3/4 of an inch scale to scale. The unique feature of the Cyber Tool family is the 1999 introduction of the bit driver and bit holder, giving you a total of 4 interchangeable bits. The bit sizes are designed for screws commonly found in electronic repair, and obviously the knife was marketed towards people in that field. All models come with plus scales, and they can be found in a variety of colors, most commonly translucent scales, whether it be ruby, emerald, sapphire, something of that nature. These come with this model comes with the black Celdor scales, and we get an advertising logo for Apple. And because we have the advertising logo, our Victorinox shield moves to the rear. We get our keyring in the post-1991 location as expected. And we get our post-1991 4-turn solid corkscrew. We also get the post-1991 edition of the straight pin in the scale, as well as a precision eyeglass screwdriver with the newer grind, the round handle with the pat stamp. This style ran from approximately 2002 to about 2008 when we got the hexagonal handle. We get the 1985 pattern reamer awl with the sharpened edge and the sewing eye. A standard opening layer with the can opener that also serves as a Phillips screwdriver. The cap lifter with 90-degree stop, wire bender, and hollow ground screwdriver. Our bit driver also has a 90-degree stop. Then we get our first look at the interchangeable bits, all which are held in by detents, and the hex on these is right at 4mm. And then you also have a 5mm nut driver there. Your additional bits are contained in this bit holder. So again, you get 4 bits. They're all 2-sided, giving you various tool sizes. So you get a number 0, number 1, number 2 Phillips, a 4mm regular, a 4mm hex bit, and then a number 8, a number 10, and a number 15 Torx. Now to give a little channel shout out, check out the channel Exploring It All with Miraculous Girl, as they do a pretty good job at reviewing a whole gamut of things, including Swiss Army knives. So you get your standard main blade, and for tang stamp we get Victorinox Switzerland stainless Rostfrei, but we take note that we have the big V. Then we have the Officer Suisse bow and arrow plus sign that does not touch. This tang stamp ran from 1992 until 2005. Then we get the standard pen blade, which has been around since 1973. For scale tools, we get the tweezers with the post 78 plastic tip, the toothpick, and then what gives us the plus scales are the 1985 edition of the pressurized pen or space pen that writes in blue ink. Now the Cyber Tool 29, or small, is the slimmest and lightest model of the Cyber Tool family. And there was a 2019 Victorinox Swiss Army Knife Collectors Society Custom 20th Anniversary Edition that came with wooden scales. And most of the related knives to this are going to be part of the Cyber Tool family. So you have the 5-layer Cyber Tool 34 or medium, which is considered the base model, the Cyber Tool Lite, which is 6 layers, and then the Cyber Tool 41 or large at 7 layers. So if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe below, and as always, I appreciate your time, stay tuned, and be nice to one another.